Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best makeup vanity tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bewishome Vanity Set with Mirror and Cushion Stool. This product's materials are made out of E1 grade environmental MDF, solid wood and 100% polyester seat cover as well as padded mats to prevent from slippery. The table's dimension is 31.50, L by 15.75, W by 53.54, H 80 by 40 by 136 centimeters, along with the mirror's size 19.69, H by 15.35, W 50 by 39 centimeters. Stool's dimension is 15.75, L by 11.81, W by 19.69, H 40 by 30 by 50 centimeters, and the product weight 42.8 pounds, 19.4 kilograms. The design is simple but elegant. The product includes a mirror, a crystal knob with functional wooden pieces, not to mention a cozy cushion. It has 5 storages, 3 compartments, and 2 dividers. This only requires some attachment after the delivery and it is all set. The removable mirror makes it leave a lot more spaces to use as a desk for study or research as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VASAGLE TriFolding Necklace Hooked Mirror Vanity. This perfect-sized desk was made out of MDF, rubber wood. The dimension is 42.5 by 18.5 by 59.6 inches with 73.7 pounds. It is easy to assemble without doing much work. You can relax and chill with this set while doing your makeup. This attractive vanity can catch everyone's heart by its stunning appearance. The several drawers make storing easier with no mess. The hidden parts of the backside of the side mirrors have the hooks which can be used to hang your jewelry. The newly designed grip makes the desk look even more adorable. At number 3, we have the Roundhill Furniture Sanlo White Wooden Vanity. Here is another lovely set with 5 storage drawers, 3 on the bottom and 2 on the table under the mirror. The round-shaped mirror makes the dressing desk looks even more elegant. The size of the product is 32W x 16D x 53H for a table and 19W x 15D x 17H for a stool. This product is available in 4 alternative colors: white, black, gold and cherry. The table is quite huge to put all of the accessory or jewelry. Additionally, makeup set is a must, such as brushes, foundation, palette, lipstick, etc. The cozy padded upholstered seat could make you sit still without stumbling to focus on your looks. The vanity set is suitable for a room decoration item in a bedroom or a living room. At number 2, we have the Nexera Best Makeup Vanity Tables. Nexera is another branded desk which is foldable and turns it into either study desk or makeup desk. The levelers of the desk is adjustable. If you have to do a makeover, just lift the table for a mirror and you store your makeup kit inside the desk space. In contrast, if you need to do your works, just close it down and it will become a work table. This convenient 2-in-1 desk is recommended to purchase for room necessity and creativity. The product was designed and made out of MDF materials with CARB 2 FSC certified particle board in Canada. It comes in matte white lacquer finish and white melamine with 19.6 by 29.8 by 30.8 inches and 46 pounds. The package includes 1 vanity table and 1 stool chair. And finally, at number 1, we have the VASAGLE. This vanity set is capable of storing a huge amount of makeup and pieces of stuff. As the vanity table has 7 drawers and 2 makeup brush holders. The design is different from other products. The desk's legs design has that dignity looks which made the vanity even more breathtaking. As the tabletop is removable, using it as an office desk is also a good idea. It has a tri-folding mirror which can be bent to see the necklace hooks behind it. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.